Hello guys, today I'm in City Walk, Dubai, and I will ask people if they prefer iPhone or Android. And based on their answer, I will show them some AI features on my Google Pixel phone to see how they react to it. So let's find out. iPhone or Android?
I use iPhone.
Use iPhone.
Yeah.
Alright, so I want to show you a feature on my Android phone. This phone is from Google, alright? And I want to show you an AI feature and I want to take your opinion about it, okay?
Alright, sure, yeah.
You know when you take a group selfie, usually people blink, look away, do stuff like that, right?
Yes, yes.
So what if I showed you a feature that can fix this problem for you? So you see here, her eyes is closed, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're right.
So I'm gonna tap on her face and I'm gonna make her
Oh.
eyes open.
That's nice.
Alright. Not only this, but I can do the same thing for myself. So you see, I can.
Oh, that's nice, wallah.
So what do you think about this feature?
I mean, it's kind of well, it's great, yani. We don't have this feature on the iPhone.
Would you buy an Android phone for this feature?
I mean, yeah, for sure. Why not?
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a
thank
nice
you.
day. iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
iPhone.
And why?
Just easier to use.
Same.
I mean, especially it's more popular than Android.
Okay, so what about I showed you a feature on my Android phone that will blow your mind?
Sure.
Okay. You see this picture?
Yeah.
I took this picture. This is the original picture, okay? I want to move myself from this spot to this spot and make myself bigger, all right? So what I will do, I will tap on myself. Tap and hold. Move myself on this spot. So you expect this area to be blank, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So look at the measure. And there you go.
That's cool. Wow, that's actually.
That's cool.
That's a really nice feature in my opinion.
Here's the original.
That's it.
So what do you think about this feature?
It's a cool feature.
It's more unique than than iPhone and everything.
So would you buy an Android phone now?
Still no.
Still no. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Android or iPhone?
Android,
Android. Why?
Oh,
because iPhone is actually, I disagree with the technology, I disagree with the marketing. The actual underlying tech, processors, RAM and everything costs 3 pennies on potentially something else, which is not worth the actual money. Also, the design is kind of pointless, nothing new. And also, if you wanted to buy something that is 3 years older at the same price, it didn't change in the past 7 years,
yes.
Yeah.
buy an iPhone.
Yeah.
But also, get an Android for half the price and give the rest of your money to anyone. Or just throw it out the window. It's still going to be the same.
Hey, this is
So
amazing.
that's very interesting. I want to ask another question. Do you know this phone?
Google phone, maybe with the G. So,
Yeah, it's a Google phone. It's
Yeah.
the latest version of Google phone, right?
Yes.
It has some crazy AI features. So I want to show you some of them and take your opinion about it.
Okay.
So here's the first one. We took this photo, and as you see, her eyes is closed.
Yeah.
Right. What if I make her eyes open?
great.
What do you think about this feature? A feature like this? Do you take group selfies?
Yes, I love it. That also means if you have a girlfriend and she has a face recognition on, then you can probably unlock her phone when she sleeps, which is helpful, I guess. Same goes for the other way around.
I don't think they gone that far yet, but yeah, you know, like when you take multiple photos
In a
for the
group.
same
Yeah.
scene, you can swap faces between the photos because sometimes people blink, sometimes people look away, so you have to take
Yeah.
multiple shots, right? So if you want to make everybody perfect,
Mm.
you can swap the faces
Okay.
like this.
And show
Using
another-
AI.
show another feature.
All right. So this is one of the features. Okay. So let me show you one more. I'm sorry about that. One second.
Not good. I like features. I don't mind waiting for them. Which is, you know, the Apple experience.
Yeah, literally. Okay,
See,
next
we
one.
took this photo in one of the events.
Yep.
You see a lot of people in the frame, right?
Yep.
So what if I can remove everyone?
Ah, so they finally bought that company.
Actually, it's
They-
Google own thing. They didn't buy it.
Okay. There's a number of apps and companies that did exactly this. Plus, with AI, you can probably do exactly this. But it's nice to see it incorporated.
Yeah, and it's integrated without it paying anything.
Nice.
It's inside the
Yeah.
phone. And look at this, you can make her fly.
That's also going to reduce all of these memes on all
Yeah.
social media with can you remove this, can you do that?
Yes, that's right. So I think you already use an Android phone, right? Which one is
Yes. S23.
S20, S23.
Yeah.
So you know that the S24 can do similar stuff now?
Probably.
Okay.
I enjoy the 60,000 pounds at the back, which are really helpful, and that's about it.
Okay, great. So thanks so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thanks as well.
I want to ask a question. iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
Definitely iPhone.
And why is the iPhone definitely?
It's better, especially the camera.
Especially the camera.
Yep.
You agree with that?
It's more easy to use iOS than Android.
All right.
Also with games.
Right. As far as you are iPhone fans, so I want to show you some features on my phone. This is a phone from Google, right? It's an Android phone. And I want to show you some features about the camera because you talked about the camera, okay? So we took this selfie. Can you come here? We took this selfie and you see her eyes is closed, right? So I'm gonna make her eyes open. What do you think about a feature like this in your camera?
Well, it looks useful.
You see?
Uh-huh.
When you take group selfies, some people blink, some people look away, so you can actually swap their faces to get the perfect shot for everyone. I can do this for myself too. So for example, it can detect all the faces in the shot and it will give you the best one. All right. So would you buy a Google phone for a feature like this?
Maybe. That will depend.
That's a good
You're not
one, right?
convincing them. You should show them another feature.
Right. So let me show you one more feature. All right. We took this photo in an event. You see a lot of people in the frame, right?
Yes.
We all face this problem. We want to have a photo on our own, right?
Okay.
So with a click of a button, you can remove everyone from the frame.
Oh.
This is actually using AI,
AI, yeah.
right? And what's even more, you can make her fly,
That looks amazing.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. These are just few examples of how AI is integrated in this phone. So
Is this a new Google phone?
yeah, that's a Google phone, and it can also, let's say you recorded a video and you have a lot of noise in the background, you can remove the noise and keep only the things that matters, okay?
Yeah.
So you think you can buy a Google phone or start searching about
I
it?
also use an Android. Like I use iPhone and also an Android.
Just a spare phone.
Yeah.
Use Android. Use Android as a spare phone, yeah? Okay.
Because it's useful for example,
Yeah.
you need to edit.
Yes. And all of it for free because you have it on your phone. You don't need to
And do
download an
legal
app.
things with Android.
No, actually, this feature is protected, so you cannot like play around a lot with it. You cannot play around with IDs, for example, and stuff like that. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can download like videos and music freely on
Yes.
Android compared to iPhones.
that's true. Most probably, it's more free stuff on Android than
Yes.
iPhone. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
iPhone or Android?
Actually, I'm using iPhone, but honestly, real answer, Android is more friendly user. But I'm still
Okay,
using
that's
iPhone.
nice. So can I show you a feature on my Android phone?
Yeah, sure, why not?
And I would like to know your feedback, okay?
Okay, sure.
Do you see this photo?
Yeah, it's a dinosaur.
Here's Jasmine, the same girl next to me. And you see a lot of people. You will see a lot of people in the frame, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What if I want to remove everyone?
Yeah, there is an application that you can remove.
Do you use this application?
I know, but I'm not using.
Yeah, not yet. So let me show you what I can do on my phone. That's an Android phone, and I can remove everyone in a click of a button.
Wow, excellent, yeah.
And you see, she's now flashed.
Funny, yeah.
So would you buy an Android phone for a feature like this?
Actually, I want to use Android for using camera because you know iPhone is not so clear. Sorry, iPhone.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Have a good day. Thank you. So I think that's pretty much it for today. We got enough opinions about the new AI features in the Pixel phone. We asked people if they like Android or iPhone. Some people like Android, some people like iPhones. And some people actually changed their mind after watching these new AI features in Google phone. So please let me know your opinions in the comments, and thank you for watching.